In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Review rating is 8.7, which is the excellent room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. The room category 2. Room category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. We discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, certain type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy the location of the hotel is superb. Guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are activities and offers available online for this hotel. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this resort, please check link in description box. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotels. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends,